Next, use the crossbar to connect the two side panels. Make sure the magnets are facing outwards. Secure the beam with the screws. Then install an acrylic plate to the beam. There are U-shaped holes and round holes in the acrylic plate. Make sure that the U-shaped holes are in the cross beam, the round holes are in the sheet metal. Finally, use screws to secure it. Next, install the transparent shield, attach it to the area under the arc. Finally, mount the curved plate with the holes in the center. After the fixing is complete, assemble the door to the protective shell. Note that the door is attached to the shell on the side. There are 3 screws on each side. After assembling all the parts, check that all the screws are fixed. Use a Phillips screwdriver to fix them securely. Finally, align the door plate with the studs on the machine.